Want to know which stocks could skyrocket in 2025? Stay tuned for some surprising predictions. In the world of finance, the future is always a mystery, a puzzle waiting to be solved. And the key? Strategic stock investments. It's not just about buying shares and hoping for the best. It's about understanding market trends, analyzing company performance, and making informed decisions. You see, the global market is like a giant kaleidoscope, constantly shifting and changing. And with each twist and turn, stock values rise and fall. But here's the thing, these changes aren't random. They're influenced by a myriad of factors, from geopolitical events to technological advancements, from consumer habits to environmental concerns. So what does this mean for you as an investor? It means that the stocks of today may not be the winners of tomorrow. It means that the companies currently dominating the market may be overtaken by innovative newcomers. It means that the future of stocks is anything but predictable. But don't fret, while the future may be uncertain, it's not completely unknowable. With the right knowledge and tools, you can make educated guesses about which stocks are likely to soar in the coming years. In this video, we're going to do just that. We're going to look at 3 stocks that have the potential to skyrocket in 2025. We're going to delve into their business models, evaluate their growth prospects, and discuss why they could be the next big thing in the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of stocks, this information could be invaluable. It could help you identify promising investment opportunities and make strategic decisions that could pay off big time. So, are you ready to explore the future of stocks? Are you ready to discover which companies could lead the charge in the next wave of market growth? If the answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Now, let's dive into the first stock you should keep an eye on. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up, we have Amazon, or AMZN. Why should you consider this stock for 2025? Now, let's delve into the world of Amazon, the e-commerce titan that has transformed the way we shop, work, and live. Over the past 5 years, Amazon's stock performance has been nothing short of impressive. Despite the occasional dip and surge, the overall trend has been upward, demonstrating the company's resilience and robustness amidst economic fluctuations. If history is any indicator, Amazon stock is poised to continue on this upward trajectory well into 2025 and beyond. But what fuels this optimism for Amazon's future? It's the company's relentless pursuit of growth and innovation. Amazon isn't just an online marketplace anymore. It's a multifaceted conglomerate with its fingers in many pies, including cloud computing, digital streaming, artificial intelligence, and even healthcare. Let's start with Amazon Web Services, or AWS, the company's cloud computing arm. AWS is a powerhouse in its own right, generating a substantial portion of Amazon's profits. As businesses continue to migrate to the cloud, AWS is well positioned to reap the benefits. Then there's Amazon Prime Video, a key player in the digital streaming market. With a growing subscriber base and a steady stream of original content, Prime Video is set to rival the likes of Netflix and Disney+. And let's not forget about Amazon's ventures into healthcare with Amazon Pharmacy and Amazon Care. These initiatives could revolutionize the healthcare industry, offering a more convenient and cost-effective way to access medical services. Amazon's diverse business sectors give it a strong competitive edge. It's not just reliant on one revenue stream. Instead, it has multiple, each with its own growth potential. This diversity offers a buffer against market volatility and positions Amazon for long-term success. In conclusion, Amazon's past performance, growth strategy, and future plans make it a compelling stock to watch in the run-up to 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie, Amazon stock offers a promising opportunity for portfolio diversification and potential returns. Clearly, Amazon is a stock with immense potential, but it's not the only one. So, let's move on to our next pick. Second on our list is Toast, otherwise known as Toast. Now, if you're thinking we're talking about your breakfast staple, think again. This Toast is a tech company that's been making a lot of noise lately in the restaurant industry. Toast had its initial public offering, or IPO, just recently, and it's been performing quite impressively. The company's shares opened at a price significantly higher than its initial offering, a clear sign of the market's confidence in this tech upstart. And it hasn't stopped there. Toast's shares have continued to rise, reflecting the company's strong potential. But what is it about Toast that's causing such a stir? Well, it's all about the company's innovative business model. Toast provides an all-in-one point-of-sale and restaurant management system. This platform helps restaurants streamline their operations, from order taking to delivery to payment processing, and even inventory management. It's a game-changing solution that's been embraced by restaurants of all sizes, from small local eateries to large restaurant chains. And here's the kicker: the restaurant industry is enormous, and it's only getting bigger. With more and more people dining out or ordering in, the demand for efficient, tech-driven solutions like what Toast offers is on an upward trajectory. This is why many market analysts are predicting a bright future for Toast. But it's not just the size of the market that's exciting. It's also the fact that Toast has managed to carve out a significant chunk of it in a relatively short period. The company's customer base has been growing rapidly, and with its continuous investment in technology and innovation, Toast is well positioned to capture even more of the market moving forward. So, why should you be keeping an eye on Toast? It's simple. The company's unique business model, its impact on the restaurant industry, and the growth potential of the market it operates in all make it a compelling proposition for investors. With its innovative approach, Toast is a stock that could truly take off, but we're not done yet. Lastly, we have e.l.f. Cosmetics, or e.l.f. Why might this be a stock to watch in 2025? Let's dive right in. The beauty industry is a behemoth, and it's not slowing down. In fact, it's predicted to reach a staggering value of nearly $700 billion by the year 2025. That's right, $700 billion. It's a flourishing market, and e.l.f. Cosmetics is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growth. Founded in 2004, e.l.f. has been on a mission to provide high-quality, cruelty-free, and affordable cosmetics. Their products cater to a wide demographic, making them a household name. Furthermore, the company's commitment to being 100% vegan and cruelty-free has won the hearts of many, particularly the younger generation who are increasingly conscious about the ethical implications of their purchases. Now, let's talk numbers. e.l.f. has shown robust growth in the past few years. In 2024, the company saw an impressive revenue increase of nearly 20%. And the company's not just growing financially. They're expanding their product line, reaching into skincare and other beauty niches which could potentially boost their market share even further. What's more, e.l.f.'s savvy marketing strategies have played a significant role in their growth. They've capitalized on social media trends, influencer collaborations, and even virtual reality to reach their target audience. These innovative strategies have not only increased brand visibility, but also customer engagement and loyalty. Looking ahead, the future seems promising for e.l.f. With its core values aligning with the evolving consumer preferences, a broadening product portfolio, and clever marketing strategies, e.l.f. is poised for even more growth. As the beauty industry continues to flourish, so does the potential for e.l.f.'s stock to rise. It's important to note, however, that while the prospects look great, investing in stocks always carries risks. It's crucial to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. With its strong market position, e.l.f. is a stock that could surprise many. And who knows, you might just find your portfolio looking a little more beautiful. So, there you have it, 3 stocks that could skyrocket in 2025. We've journeyed through the promising landscapes of Amazon, Toast, and e.l.f. Cosmetics, each with their unique potential for growth in the coming years. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. Amazon, the titan of e-commerce, is continually expanding its horizon, branching out into new sectors from cloud computing to entertainment. Its constant innovation and adaptability make it a compelling choice for investors looking for a blend of stability and growth. Now let's toast to Toast, a software company that's revolutionizing the restaurant industry. With its innovative technology, Toast is helping restaurants streamline operations and enhance customer experiences. As more and more businesses become digitized, Toast's potential for expansion seems virtually limitless. And let's not forget e.l.f. Cosmetics, a beauty brand that's making waves in the industry. With its commitment to high-quality, affordable products and a strong online presence, e.l.f. Cosmetics is poised to continue its impressive growth trajectory, making it a captivating option for investors. However, it's essential to remember that investing is not merely about picking the right stocks, but understanding their potential and aligning them with your financial goals. It's about strategy, timing, and a whole lot of patience. It's about being informed, staying vigilant, and making decisions based on a blend of intuition, research, and market trends. And that's where we come in. Our mission is to equip you with the insights and predictions you need to navigate the often turbulent seas of the stock market. We strive to be your compass, guiding you towards informed and strategic investment decisions. So if you found value in this video, if our journey through the potential of Amazon, Toast, and e.l.f. cosmetics sparked your curiosity, then we invite you to join our community. Subscribe to our channel for more insights. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the content, and share this video with your fellow investors. Remember, investing is about strategy and timing. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights and predictions